Hello, Chef here. I got another one of these heirloom tomatoes I wanted to share with you. It's quite unusual, the shape, the size, and the pattern on it. Really cool. So I thought I would give you a view of what's inside. You don't see these too often, and they are quite expensive if you can even get them. So I know the guy that grew this one here. Yeah. It's going to be good. Let's take a look. First slice, second slice, third, fourth, fifth. Okay, there we go. It's quite unique inside. Interesting pattern. Okay. That's it. That's the whole video. If you want to learn more about tomatoes, heirloom tomatoes, even growing tomatoes, check out the channel right there. Have a great day. You get maximum protection, and you still have a full range of movement with your hand and the fingers. So it's pretty cool. And this is made in the USA. I like that. Great quality.